Hi everyone, my name is Ravet. I joined BIA for one purpose, that was I had to upskill myself. I'm a student of BACIT and I was after our graduation I had been aspiring to become a data scientist, and by looking through Google, Instagram and Facebook I landed upon BIA's advertisement, and then I consulted the people who were there in BIA, and by them I got to know that I can upskill myself in various tools and applications like Power BI, SQL and W. Since I had a fair knowledge of Excel and SQL previously, I had not that huge knowledge or specific knowledge about Power BI, W and machine learning especially. And in this case, BI helped me to upskill myself in a very good way. I got to learn about machine learning, various algorithms, and also deep learning, which is quite a difficult topic, but it was taught us to in a very easy manner. And by also I landed upon a job in Vista International. They were pretty much impressed by my Excel skills, and I got to learn about Excel in a very specific manner by BI themselves. So yeah, that was my good experience from BI.